Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to be showing you how we renovated our small kitchen into a dream kitchen on a budget. If you want to see how we turned the kitchen from this to this, then keep on watching. I'm going to be running out of breath a lot because I was pregnant when we were renovating the house, so I just wanted to give you a heads up. Hey guys, so I'm gonna be running out of breath a lot, but so I just want to show you the before, so you can see what it looked like before. First things first, we're gonna paint the whole kitchen, and we're painting it white. Okay, and then we are changing the cabinets to white and gray, which I am so excited about. So the ones up top are gonna be gray. Oh, sorry, the ones up top are gonna be white. All these, we're gonna paint them to white. So the shade of gray that we're trying to go for, we want it to look more like the stainless steel appliances that we have. So it's gonna be at the bottom. Okay, don't mind this trash bag. Like I say, I was cleaning up the kitchen so we can prepare for painting. But these ones are gonna be gray at the bottom. Okay, and then this right here, we're gonna have a backsplash that is gray and white and black. It's really pretty. You guys are gonna see it, and that's what we're gonna have all around here. You see, this is a better view right here. And then I'm running out of breath. This is our pantry right here. This is our pantry right here, and we're gonna paint it white as well. It's blue, which I hate so much. I cannot stand it, and I can't wait for it to be painted white. And this is our pantry, but it's empty right now because we moved everything. Like I said, we're painting, so we're painting the inside as well. And we removed the shelves. That's why it's empty like that. But we're gonna go ahead and paint that all white, so I'll put it back after we're done. And then on this spot right here, when you stand this way, so I'm standing where there's the stove. This is like an empty space-ish, and we have this table here. That's where we have our microwave and our toaster. But we're gonna end up installing cabinets here. They're gonna be white, so up here, and then we're gonna have our trash somewhere here installed, and the ones that we're installing over here, it's gonna be the glass ones, and our trash on this side as well. So I can't wait for that. It's gonna look really nice. I'm excited. Okay, so this is the kitchen from this side. You get a really nice view from this side, what the kitchen looks like. Okay, I cannot wait for this change, y'all. Hold on, let me move this so you guys can see better. Okay, so this is what the kitchen looks like from this angle. So like I said, up there it's gonna be all white, and at the bottom it's gonna be gray, just like the stainless steel appliances. And yeah, oh, I forgot one more thing. So we're gonna change the floors, but we're gonna change them into wood, and it's gray, so it's gonna look really pretty. Yep, so I can't wait to take you all on this journey of kitchen renovation. I cannot wait. I'm gonna take some pictures before we start, and let me stand right here so you guys can see what the kitchen looked like before. Alrighty, let's get the work started. Oh, and by the way, I'm not the one who's gonna be doing the renovations. I'm gonna be helping out, 'but it's my husband who's going to be doing most of the work. Okay, so this is what the kitchen looks like from this angle. So like I said, up there it's going to be all white, and at the bottom it's going to be gray, just like the stainless steel appliances. And we have this table here. That's where we have our microwave and our toaster. But we're going to end up installing cabinets here. The ones that we're installing over here, it's going to be the glass ones, and then we're going to have our trash somewhere here installed, and the ones that we're installing over here, it's going to be the trash on this side as well. So I can't wait for this change, y'all. kitchen. It was nice to know you. Oh, another thing, I forgot the lights up here. We're gonna change that. I haven't decided what I really want. I'll probably change that too, I don't know, but I haven't decided what I want. I hate that light over there. So I can't wait for that. Hey y'all, it's late night, but just want to show you some of the progress that we've made so far. Okay, so as you can see, we've painted. Okay, that's it for day one. We'll clean up everything tomorrow because we're ready to go. Hey y'all, so we are on day 2 of the kitchen renovation. Woo! So today our mission is to prep the cabinets for painting. So we're gonna remove the cabinet doors, okay, and we're gonna prep them for painting. So what we're gonna do is clean them, make sure the grease is out, everything is nice and clean. That way it's ready for paint, for the white paint. So I'll take you through all that. I know it's a lot of dirt in here, but that's because we're painting. We're gonna clean everything up, okay? So yeah, let's get into day 2. Okay, so we are cleaning the cabinet doors and the cabinet themselves, because before you paint and prime, you have to make sure that it's nice and clean. So that's very important. That way you don't have any dirt on them and you have a flawless finish. Hey guys, so this is the progress of where we are. So we have primed, we've removed the cabinet doors which are downstairs and are being primed right now. Yes, they are being primed. But so we cleaned everything and now we just put the primer. We're gonna let it dry, and so we use this to cover the inside, protect the inside, because we don't want it to be painted white. And then we have blue paint around it. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, so that's where we are right now. Oops. I'm gonna take you downstairs to see the priming process, and this will be the work for the day, and I shall see you on day 3. All right, so we are priming the doors here, and just like makeup, you know, you have put on the primer, that way your makeup, you know, your foundation goes on smoothly and it stays. It's the same concept with painting. So we are priming them. We're gonna make sure it's dry before we start painting. Hey guys, so we are on day 3 of kitchen renovation. So okay, so today we are going to be sanding and putting the final coat on the cabinets and the cabinet doors. So pretty excited. Okay, so let me show you what we have going on. So yesterday, like I mentioned, we prime everything. All right, so I'll see you guys when we're done sanding. The next thing that we had to do before we actually painted was to sand the cabinets and the cabinet doors themselves. So this helps just to give it a nice flawless finish, and you don't have any like bumps on it, you know, you don't have any grains, and it's just nice finished. So this is the process. This is what the doors are going through. They're going to be sanded as well. All right, so we're about to start painting the gray cabinet. Okay, and this is the paint. All right, so the next thing we did after it was all prepped, you know, primed, sanded, was to paint. So we started by painting the white and then the gray. Guys, so this is day I believe this is day 4. I can't remember. I can't keep up the day. Day 3 or day 4, but today we are going to finish cleaning up the cabinets, and we're gonna start putting back the doors, the cabinet doors, because the paint is all dry and everything is good to go. And we're gonna put back the cabinets, put the door handles, and clean up the kitchen. So this is what we used to clean up the paint that sprayed where it wasn't supposed to spray. It's really good. It came off really easy. Some parts were really hard, but if you let it sit and soak in a little bit, it'll definitely come out. So this is how it looks like after we installed back the cabinets, after we painted them. So we painted the bottom ones gray. It kind of looks bluish a little bit, but trust me, it's gray. And the top ones we painted white. And we also installed the handles on the cabinets, as you can see. This is how the top cabinets look. And I forgot to mention, we did take out the old hood that we had for the stove, and we installed a new one that we also got from Amazon. On today's project, we're gonna install the backsplash, and this is what we're going for. It's so pretty. So we got the backsplash from Amazon. Just wanted to correct myself, it doesn't have black in here, but it's more like gray, white, and like dark gray. And it is so easy to install, guys. All you have to do is to peel it and stick it to the wall. And you have to make sure that your wall is nice and clean. We used alcohol, and we make sure that we cleaned it very well before we stuck the backsplash to the wall. And also you have to be very careful, because when you're not careful, you can have like little bumps and not like a seamless finish when you're sticking it. So just be aware of that. But yeah, it's so easy to use and so easy to install. So this is how the backsplash looks like after we installed it. It is so pretty, and I'm so in love with it, and it just matches the theme that I'm trying to go for my kitchen. And the next project that we did was the floor. This is how it looked like when we took out the tile. I was so happy. So this is the old tile right here. Yeah, so we are about to install wood floor. So far, this is how the kitchen is looking like. We are almost getting there. Okay, so this is the wood that we used. It's so pretty, and I feel like the camera is not doing it any justice here, but it's very, very pretty. We got it from Home Depot, and I don't know how to explain the installation of the wood floor, but yeah. It's actually easy to install, but the whole cutting and measuring is very, very important when you're doing that, which I'm not an expert in, but so my husband did most of the work, but I was helping in putting the floor, but not all the measurements, the cutting. How the floor looks like now. It is very, very pretty, and I'm in love with it. So the next project, which was the last project, was this empty space right here that I showed you earlier. So we installed new cabinets on the side at the both top and bottom. I unfortunately didn't film this very well because the cabinets came at different times, and we got caught up. We had a newborn, so it was just like a lot for me to kind of be able to film. This is how it looks like. It's really pretty. So this is where I'm gonna have like my wine glasses and stuff like that. This is what it looks like. We even installed a new microwave, and on this side, the last cabinet on the right is where the trash is. I love that because I hated having the trash can just sitting like that, but I like this better. And this is how the kitchen is looking like after it's done. I love the finished look. So pretty, and it's definitely my style. We still have a few more things that we have to change. The countertop, that's not the color that I want. I haven't found exactly what I want just yet. We're actually having a hard time finding countertops for whatever reason, but yeah, this is how it looks like. It is so pretty. We are still finishing, and like I said, I wanted the lights for us to change the lights, and we have not done that yet. I'm still trying to figure out what exactly I want to do with the light fixtures, what I want. Yeah, so I still have a few more things that I want to work on, but this is 90 something percent done. Okay, so I just figured I would go ahead and show y'all the finished result. I love how the kitchen looks, and you can tell me that it actually looks even more open. And also, I forgot to mention, the first project that we actually did was the appliances. And when we first moved in, that's the first thing we took care of, is to get these stainless steel appliances. Alright, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like the video, comment below, let me know what you think, and subscribe if you haven't. I shall see you in my next video. Bye, guys.